Good morning. It's about 1.5 week later. I'm back at my boat, but not for long because I'm going to do something else today. I'm going to make a new center for my new steering wheel. So I get a friend. My friend has a lot of machines and I'm allowed to use those machines. So I'm going to try to make it myself. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm bringing you with me. Enjoy. So, you saw me disassembling my steering wheel, and then I was planning to clean everything up, restore it, put it back together, and make a new center part of the steering wheel that will fit my steering shaft. But then my buddy, Richard, he said, throw this in the bin, we're going to do it all over again. He knows how to use AutoCAD, so we draw some new parts, and now I'm waiting for the parts. So now I don't know what I'm going to do. See you later. I am back at the boat. There she is. I decided to make a test setup for my solar energy. I'm not going to do it on the boat, so I'm here to pick up my Victron inverter in the boat. It's in the boat. It's uninstalled, so I'm going to grab it. I'm grabbing some tools to do my electric work. I picked up some cables, a crimping plier, I think that's how it's called. I'm googling everything. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going home, grab some solar panels, make a setup, see if it works. Okay, so I got my solar panel lined up. It's pretty dirty, so I need to clean it first. Then I need to measure the voltage, and I probably need some new plugs. First things first, clean the panel and then measuring. Alright, so I was trying to figure out how I can remove these plugs, and I didn't figure it out. I just cut them off. What I did see, and I didn't know that, there are two cables coming from the solar panel, and I thought that each cable had a positive and a negative wire in it, but it turns out it's just a positive and the other cable is a negative. So that's super easy. So now I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do the setup. First I'm going to install my MPPT to my batteries, and then I'm going to connect the solar panel to the MPPT, otherwise the MPPT doesn't know that it needs to charge 24 volts. So that's what I'm going to do first. Alright. It's the simple things, but you need to pay attention. So what I am doing right now is making a charge cable, where this cable is going to go into the MPPT. It's over here. But I'm putting them in the wrong place because nothing is happening here. If I put the charging cables on this post, nothing will happen. This is the place where the 24 volts are. So it's a guess because I don't really know. I got two chances because I got two MPPTs, and if I screw one up, that's that. So I'm going to put them over here so I can see if the MPP is charging. So now I'm going to take this off, put it over here. Yada yada yada. Nice. It's super simple. It looks like it looks like it's working. I think I'm going to connect my converter to it, and let's see if we can get 220 volts. So I'm inside my workshop now. It's getting a little bit cold. When the sun is gone, the heat is gone as well. I bought these wires today, and those things, I don't know how you call them, doesn't matter. Crimping pliers. I searched it on Google, crimping pliers. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I don't have any explanation of what I'm going to do now because I don't know how to explain it. Just take a look. Everything is working, but my batteries are no good. So that's annoying because I just bought those batteries, well, just a few months ago. Second hand, no good. Okay, so now I have to look for batteries. On the positive side, it's working. Everything is working, only the batteries aren't good. So, shit happens every day. Hello. I tried it again with the two, these are two starting accus. I connected the converter to the starting accus, then give it some load, or I don't know how you say that, and it works. So it's definitely those expensive batteries. That means that those batteries, those super expensive Victron batteries, are completely dead. And yeah, I got screwed. Never mind. I found some new batteries, super expensive, about 800 euros or something. But I think I have to go with it, because otherwise 800 euros is a lot of money, but from there it only gets up and gets more expensive. So I'm contacting the company now that who sells those batteries. So I don't know how that works out, but that's it for today. See you later. Welcome back. It's the next day. Yesterday I did the test. This morning I was running wires from the roof of the wheelhouse to the engine room, where I have my converter and my MPPTs. So these are the wires running from the solar panels. So they still need to be connected. First I need to connect the batteries to the MPPTs, and after I did that, after that the MPPT will recognize the 24 volts that the batteries are giving. I only going to use one first, I think, because I don't know if you can put two MPPTs on one big battery for extra charging power. These are the main wires for the converter, and this is the 220 going up to the wheelhouse, and all of this is temporary. So I want to try it. If it works, I can do it permanently. If I need to tweak some things, I can easily take it back out and change it. Of course I do it safe. So I need fuses for this. I still need to get them upstairs. That's where I'm at. Now we have to check out if we got 220 volts upstairs. Now the moment of truth.
The coffee machine.
Yay! Yay! Good. Nice. Every time we wanted coffee, I need to start up a diesel generator of 55 kilowatts. So that was a little bit nonsense. I hope it works now. Hi.
This is the moment. Yeah.
Woo! Great!
Amazing.
I'm so happy about this. Yes! That's it for today. Our solar panels are fully up. More importantly, we got our first coffee on board. So if you enjoyed this episode, give it a like. Next time we dive into ship equipment and getting the dash working. So stick around for that one. The trawler is slowly getting back to life, and this is just the beginning. Powered by the sun, fueled by coffee, we keep on going. Monday to Monday. Hope to see you next week.